So voice authentication, or voice biometrics, works by comparing the characteristics or the features of your voice, some biological and structural, and some behavioral. We use 28 of these features to create a template of your voice called a voice print. And then live voice is then compared against that template, against those same 28 features, and a match is made. So this is equivalent, actually more detailed in some cases than fingerprint matching or iris scanning or other forms of biometric technology. But yet at the same time, it's so easy and convenient because you just speak. Or as I like to say, it's the spoken token. I see a bright future for voice prints and voice biometrics, but not so much as a component within just an IVR, but rather as a crucial and primary authentication token across an enterprise. I see voice prints being used on mobile phones to give mobile phone users more convenient but secure access to who gets to look at their address book, their contacts, who gets to use their phone to have access to websites or email. I also see voice biometrics being used as a companion technology for e-commerce. When a risky e-commerce transaction has been accomplished and you want a voice signature to be applied to that, then a phone call comes out, a voice print confirms that yes, the true user did that e-commerce transaction. I also see a day when the voice print has the potential to replace the PIN and the password. I'm a big believer in the spoken token. I don't know that it'll replace passwords on online systems ultimately, but it's going to make people question the current security practices and look at something that is more convenient and yet more secure than anything that we're using today.